Alright friends, so I hope that you are doing good. So in this video I will be teaching you how to recover a corrupted file. It can be any corrupted file from a computer, or it can be from a camera, or it can be from some kind of another source. But today I was like shooting some videos from my Sony ZV-10 and accidentally I took out the power supply because I was powering the camera. I was powering the camera from the wall socket, and accidentally I corrupted one file. So this file is 3.75 GB and it is not playing back. As you can see, it is corrupted. The camera also prompted whether I need to recover the file, and I said yes, but it did nothing to recover the file. So accidentally I lost the file, right? So let's see how we can like repair this one. So for this one we need a piece of software called Untrunc. So you go to Google and search for Untrunc, and what you need to do is like you can go to this GitHub repo and scroll all the way down and you can see the releases, right? Go to the releases and here you can find a 64-bit version of the software. So click on this one, so and start download, right? It's a very powerful tool, and I'm very thankful for the author, right? So open folder, and once you got this, extract it, right? Extract. So once you have extracted the file, you will have a folder and it has a set of tools, right? So this is the exe file, and also you have a GUI.exe. So let's use the GUI. It makes our life easy. So what you need to do is click on this one, and if it prompts to allow some kind of thing that allows the software to run, please allow it. And for this one, what you need is a reference to a working file from the same environment. So let's say you have some other clip from your Sony camera which is working, so all the other clips are fine, right? So let's give one of these as a reference, and for the truncated file you give the broken file, right? So click on this one, and what you do is you click on repair. So right now it will repair the clip and fix everything, and it will output that one to the same folder, right? You can see the output location as printed onto the screen, and after doing that you can basically go to the folder where you had the clip. So here, can you see, this is there, this was the broken file and this is the fixed file. So this saved our file, right? So see, it now plays back fine, right? So I hope this will help most of you to fix your broken files. So I have used this to like fix many files, even like some OBS recordings which I have accidentally corrupted by stopping it in weird ways or shutting down the computer. uh, so many times I have used this tool. So you can follow the steps that I just explained for you to recover the corrupted files from your Sony camera. So thank you very much for watching.